You won't believe how much I paid for fuel. Now, let's go aircraft camping. Standard procedure before the flight, I had to let them know I'm coming. Search and rescue ETA 1 hour. 30 minutes later, I started up, got my clearance, and I started off.
Runway 29, QNH 1024, taxi Foxtrot, runway 06, run up bay, runway 29. Report ready, and I'll get back to you with your after departure clearance. QNH 1024, runway 29 is in use, taxi Foxtrot 06, run up bay 29, report ready. Delta Victor.
I started off well in advance so I can set up my tent and sleeping area before it gets dark. I had found that some others had already arrived and set up their tents, so it was much easier for me to find a spot. I just went back next to the other people, so it wasn't much stress, you know? Quickly before anything, I had set up the tent, then the bed. Guys, the bed went to buy today. I already took it out of the bag and set it up. I was still offloading things from the plane, so I started with the bed because it was the biggest thing I had to take out. My bags were gonna come afterwards. These helicopters made so much noise and the dust. I had to run back inside because my hair was gonna get dusty. I was hoping to get a quick nap before dinner and maybe it'll be a peaceful sleep and there won't be planes flying over the tent. But look where I am, like that's inevitable. My setup turned out to be so cute. I loved it. Good morning, guys. It's like 8 a.m. now. It's like getting a fuel. I'm now on a mission after I start looking for fuel. The fuel truck. I don't know where the guys are. A few trip preparations before getting started with my day. At least I got that out of the way. It was a jam-packed day with different activities.